Dear students, please watch this video. Water maintains its level. Materials needed: 2 plastic bottles, mason pipe or used refill, glue, knife to cut bottles, water. Preparation: cut 2 plastic bottles in equal size. Put a hole at the base of each of the bottles. Insert the end of a mason pipe into each of the holes, closing them without leakage using an adhesive. Procedure: fill water in 1 bottle. Observation: water flows from first bottle to the second bottle till the level of water in both bottles are equal. Inference: water maintains its level. Then remove some water from one of the bottles and observe the water level. Again observe the water level in the 2 bottles by adding some sand into one of the bottles, and again observe the water level by removing the sand in small quantities using spoon. Observation: when some sand is put in one bottle, the water level increases in that bottle, but soon the levels in both the bottles will become the same. When some sand is removed from the bottle, the water level increases in that bottle and the water level in both the bottles will become the same. Inference: water maintains its level. When groundwater is collected in large quantities for industrial and commercial purposes, it leads to the fall of water level in the wells of the neighborhood. Will sand mining from rivers decrease the water level of a nearby well? Yes, sand mining from the rivers will decrease the water level of a nearby well. Then, please listen. Substances that sink and those which float. Do all insoluble substances float on water? The experiment: putting some familiar objects in water. Materials required: water in a vessel, camphor, stone, eraser, charcoal, wood piece, safety pin, green gram, thermocol, plastic bottle. Procedure: put a camphor, stone, eraser, charcoal, wood piece, safety pin, green gram, thermocol, plastic bottle in water taken in a vessel and observe. Observation: charcoal, wood piece, thermocol and plastic bottle will float on water. Stone, eraser, safety pin and green gram will sink in water. Objects that float on water: camphor, charcoal, wood piece, thermocol, plastic bottle. Then objects that sink in water: stone, eraser, safety pin, green gram. Inference: some insoluble substances will float on water. Some insoluble substances will sink in water. Please watch this picture. Several objects float on water. Write any instances in which we make use of this property. First one, learning to swim holding on to a plantain stem. Carrying articles on a raft. Air-filled tubes are used in water entertainments.